areas where people of the same ethnicity.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Lynn Point, Wisconsin to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois. Lake Resource to Winthrop Harbor, Illinois, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 8 p.m. At 7:05 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 20 nautical miles east of North Point Lighthouse to near Winthrop Harbor, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected.